Alright guys, I gotta run the hardware store and get another fitting because I broke one of these and I don't have another one. I can't believe I just did that. Cracked it. Sure shit, cracked it. That's 3/4. Oh, sorry for cussing, guys. I'll edit that out of there. And we broke that one, so we gotta run to the store and get one. Alright guys, I got the fitting all back together. Just turn the valve back on. It's down in here. Down in here, turn it on and make sure she don't leak again. Alright. Got water on. I don't see nothing squirting out, so we're gonna walk over there and check it. Let me cover this well back up. What is going on here? Everything I've been doing is turning to crap. There we go. Stay. That thing needs a paint job. Alright guys, I'm gonna walk over here and check them. Take you guys with me. I gotta edit this video anyway, so there are other videos of us putting all this pipe in here. Was dug it all up by hand. And I have one more water project to do on the property. Put put water out to the barn. But that's a video for another day. Today we just broke the pipe, putting the new, I call them piggy spouts, but they're water spouts. Oh, look at it, and it's leaking. Why are you leaking? I have to tighten that up. Yeah, this one's good. Brand new, and I got one over here too. I got to check. And this one. Alright guys, just got back from the hardware store to get a PVC fitting that I just broke with these pig spouts. So let's see if we can't get this thing fixed real quick. This fixed up so the piggies don't go without water. Get this on here as close as I can to the top. Just like that. Get this opened up. Alright, this is primer. Oh, nobody's hurting you, dude. Get both of them with the pliers. That's the cement. So we'll hit it with some primer first. Oh wow. That needs to be shaken up or not. You don't have to do both sides, guys. Just, I didn't like the way it looked on the pipe. Now this is blue too. And just push this on there and she'll be done. You know what? That's her. That's all there is to it, guys. Tighten it up and don't break it again, Ruben. One more. That's her. Put the bracket back on it. Call it good. Good deal. Alright guys, thanks for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya.